Here I have OPPO A12, and today I'm going to show you how to add fingerprint on this device. So firstly, open Settings, then go to the Fingerprint Face and Password section, Fingerprint, Add a Fingerprint. Next you have to select your backup lock screen method. It could be password. You can also change it to pattern code, 4-digit password, for 16-digit password, and also as password with alphabetic characters. Let's select 4-digit password, enter our password, then confirm it. And what you have to do next is to find a fingerprint sensor, which is here at the back of your phone, and tap it with your finger several times for it to remember your finger. Continue. Next you can select how you want to use your fingerprint. You can unlock your phone, unlock apps, and private save. Let's try to unlock our phone with our fingerprint. As you can see, I can unlock it just with my fingerprint. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.